Victoria.
Good morning.
Look at all these new books we have to unbox today.
So many.
First, let's share some brand new nonfiction series. We have the new Essential Library of Countries, and we have The Truth About Early American History, and we have Unofficial Minecraft Guides, great Minecraft builds.
I think that might be a favorite.
Yep.
All right. Let's see these boxes. We have I Love My City.
Ooh. I've got a stack of DVDs here. The Treehouse Story, Strange World, just a little bit spooky from PBS Kids, Jim Button and Luke the Engine Driver and the Wild 13, and Rugrats. Fun.
Okay, let's see. We have Wild Bird.
Ooh. Bridges. Fun.
We have a board book on India.
Epic Animal Journeys.
Ooh, Night in the City.
Another board book, Daddy and Me.
All right. The World and Everything in It.
Another board book. Let's jump.
Hey. Oh, Mommy Time,
Aw.
which is coming up soon.
Yep. Another board book, Seed to Plant.
Oh, serious topics. We have questions I am asked about the Holocaust.
Oh. In Between.
Oh, this is a board book. So we have Changing World, Cold Data for a Warming Planet.
Another board book. Let's hide.
Oh, Hush Little Rocket.
And another board book about Mexico.
We have How to Write a Poem.
New graphic novel, School Trip.
Is that in a series?
Yeah, it's New Kid. It's the sequel to New Kid, which is very popular.
We have Dear Mr. G.
The Oregon Trail.
And Birds.
Avon Green, Soccer Machine.
We have The Artist.
O is for Ocean.
Ooh, Where I Live, poems about my home, my street, and my town.
Babajoon's Treasure.
Ooh, Sugar Pie Lullaby.
Aw. You will do great things.
Ooh, we have Queen Elizabeth II.
New Babysitter's Club Little Sister, Karen's Ghost.
Ooh, Rocks, Minerals, and Gems.
Best Wishes, The Sister Switch.
Oh, Forest Babies.
Outside Amelia's Window.
Right, we get to learn about Ella Fitzgerald.
Amazing Insects Around the World.
A Bed of Stars.
A new Nintendo Switch game, Just Dance 2022.
Woohoo! Fun stuff. All right, we have Tacos Today.
Punk Rock Unicorn, another Phoebe and her unicorn adventure.
Goats.
Julia and the Shark.
Ooh, we have Princess Truly. I Am Curious.
Stella Diaz leaps to the future.
Ooh, we have Ketanji Brown Jackson. A Justice for All.
Shining a Light, celebrating 40 Asian Americans and Pacific Islanders who changed the world.
Ooh, perfect timing. All right, we have David Hockney.
Bee and the New Deal Horse.
Whale Fog, exploring an ocean floor ecosystem.
My Friend Looney.
I'm still here, loving myself in a world not made for me.
Ooh, the Chop Chop Family Cookbook. We also get Chop Chop Magazine, which is great.
Nice. The perfect sushi.
Ooh, how the human mind works. Your brain is amazing.
It
Very
sure
cool.
is. All right, we have Last Flight.
And last but not least, 100 Mighty Dragons all named Broccoli.
Yay!
I can't wait to share all these great books with you. Thanks.